Thank you everyone for stopping by and checking out our product. It's a speaker that we can connect via Bluetooth, so I can pull out my phone, turn it on. Yeah, I think listening to it, it's basically self-explanatory as far as the quality. So here we have a little bit of acoustic piece. The song hasn't been mastered, but you can still hear like.
In the village of my father, we hunt Chinda, we roast Castans, and Mofia. In the village of my father, we hunt Chinda.
I'm very proud of the sound. I knew we were going to give really good sound, but I was not expecting the sound that we got. I mean, it's been an amazing journey. The match of the amplifier to the drivers, to the housing, to the porting on the housing, everything just fell together. It's almost like everybody's waiting for this type of sound to come. You know, smaller than an Xbox 360, you know, but you deliver a sound that could fill a room. We need your help, we need your support in getting this real. The more pledges we have, the better we can negotiate with our suppliers. The better components we can get, the better it will sound. Thank you, you guys that have already pledged. We're successful, you made it happen. We want more because we want this to be in everybody's house. Everybody should have this type of music, this type of quality, Bluetooth connecting step away. So my name is Raul Chinda, and thank you for visiting.